Luchador masks. You see these everywhere. I think they're almost like a Mexican. This is creepy as Strip Wet Lips Club. All right, downtown Ensenada.
Yay!
Alright, so our tour guide who convinced us to go on that tour basically said you can't haggle out here. I am 100% certain you can haggle. You know the truth is, Dudette? $8.99 on sale. We paid $1 extra, which, hey, look, you know, coming from America, honestly, $1 extra is not a big deal. But it does make you feel like, and this is the problem with haggling, it feels good to haggle if you're good, but none of us are really that good. Dad, I really like these decorations. They're so cool. Ooh. Luchador masks. Even cooler. You need a what?
Mira, hurry, drop something. Mira.
For this.
That was clever. Told me you dropped something. He's looking at his finger, then he points his finger into the store. He's just like, you dropped something, take me to the store. What?
Travel bag for our stuff.
Oh, now you want to buy travel bag. Got hurry. I want to check out this Oxxo store. You see these everywhere. I think they're almost like a Mexican 7-Eleven. Ah, it is. It's like a 7-Eleven from Mexico. Actually, very similar to a 7-Eleven in the US. What did you want? Popsicle? Yes, if you want a popsicle, you can get one. Ice cream's over here, Ludette. you want, Lulu? See, the tricky thing is, Dudette, is like coming to a port city like Ensenada, where, you know what, she ain't even listening to me. She's off there looking at stuff already. Alright, who needs her? My point is, you come into a port city like Ensenada, they know everyone here is tourists, and they also know everyone here is not a local. And usually coming off a cruise ship where, you know, people spend a lot of money, minimum $300 a person. So they know you have money. And so the prices here are honestly mostly unreasonable. Like, you would have to seriously haggle in order to not be taken. Unless you also have, you know, internet access, you can just look everything up and check out the regular prices. I have no idea how much a Mexican blanket costs. I spent $10 for mine, but I'm seeing it for $8.99 here. And I haggled down from an insane price. You wanna know how much they were initially gonna quote me? $60. $60 for all these towels, these blankets they got. Maybe it's just because us folks in the UX, we don't really have a good sense of how much things should cost, right? Like, how much does it really cost to produce this stuff? I don't know. All I know is they make some good money from us. It's still pretty affordable for us. Everyone wins. All right, hey, let's compare a 7-Eleven to an Oxxo.
7-Eleven.
No. Unless you believe 2 bottles of soda is $53. I'm pretty sure that's pesos, which is about $2. No, I'm just curious to see, like, you know, how much of it is Americanized, how much of it is, you know, Mexican flavored. Like, for instance, their snacks. I've never heard of this before. All right, that's a new type of snack. We want to try something new and different. Okay, what do they got here that's different? Oh, a huracan mas sabor adobadas. I don't know what that is at all, but I know I want to try it. Let's try this one. What else you want to try, do that? Actually, again, I don't know if it take. How much was this? 23. It's about $1. Alright, one thing that's hugely different than 7-Eleven US, they don't have the AC on here. It is hot in this place. Usually 7-Elevens in the US are just, the AC's cranked super low, super cool. I say it's like about maybe half-half of things you would see and then things you would never see in a US-based 7-Eleven. Huh? I don't know. It's called Gancitos. If you want to try, I can get it. I don't know. It looks like some sort of cake.
Oh yeah, it's a cake.
Chocolate cake. No?
Just that one. And I want to try this one. But I guess it's only similar to
That's just quesos. They have those in the US. Ruffles quesos. That's a US flavor, baby. Drip Wet Lips Club. I bet that place is happening at night.
That's a 360, right?
Yeah.
That's a cool one, man.
This is creepy as hell. It's even more creepier because the dude's got a boner. I should get some.
Okay, amigo, my turn now. My turn here. We got Louis Vuittons, Gucci's, Cuban cigars.
Wow, these are beautiful. I wish we could take these back and have it in our backyard. Like we put it against the wall like that. One by one across.
We got something different inside.
Yeah, like those right there, like that. That's really beautiful. Just remember like what they're called. They're like metal, like almost like metal yard ornaments. Thing. We could decorate our wall like that. Here's the thing. I would
There's
totally
so many
buy
variety.
Viagra because it's probably cheaper. But the problem is that I don't know if it's legit or not. Because Viagra in the US is overpriced. If you go to another country, it's probably like 1/10 the price. Super cheap in comparison. Let's just say for a dude to get down and busy for one shot of Viagra US, you can easily pop 3-4 pills, maybe, something like that, and boom, it's like $30.